was set in 1979.
Whew. Oh yeah, new setup. Hold on.
Yesterday, which leaves the monthly total at 0.5 inches. The total of snowfalls.
There it is.
Approximately 6 a.m. this morning, January 16th. Blessing J. AOC is a black 4-year-old girl who weighs 50 pounds and has black hair with twists and brown eyes. She is wearing a pink jacket, blue pants, and pink boots. The child was placed in the booster seat in the back of the mother's car. The mother left the vehicle running and went inside the residence. The child was in the back seat of her mother's vehicle when the vehicle was stolen by an unknown suspect. The vehicle was recovered a short time later at 9th Street at 14th Avenue in Rock Island. The child was missing from the vehicle. Anyone with information should call 911. This concludes this Amber Alert issued by the Illinois State Police. The Rockford, Illinois climate summary for yesterday, January 15th, 2025. Yesterday's high temperature of 23 degrees occurred.
Huh. Well, and then that came out of absolutely nowhere.
Record low.
I mean, half of these freaking things didn't activate. Halen.
A trace of snow fell yesterday, which leaves them.
Interesting. This one didn't.
5.7.
Although I honestly don't even know if half these even have Amber Alerts on them. I was not ready for that at all.